Understanding low ceiling, an English phrase explained. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you understand English phrases and idioms, making you sound like a native speaker. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, low ceiling. Stick around to find out how this phrase can be used in different contexts, and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English conversation. When we talk about a low ceiling, we're referring to a physical space. A ceiling is the upper interior surface of a room, and when it's described as low, it means it's not very high above the floor. Rooms with low ceilings may feel cozy to some, but they can also give a sense of confinement or lack of space. This literal understanding is straightforward. But as with many English phrases, there's more to it when used figuratively. The term, low ceiling, is often used metaphorically to talk about situations where there are limitations or a lack of opportunity for growth and progress. For example, if someone says, "She left her job because there was a low ceiling for advancement," they mean that there were limited opportunities for her to move up in her position. It can also reflect on the restricted potential due to external circumstances or internal regulations. For instance, the new regulations have created a low ceiling for investment possibilities in the sector. Let's see how low ceiling can be used in different sentences. 1. In her previous company, Jane felt the low ceiling was hindering her career progress. 2. The apartment's low ceiling made it feel a bit cramped, but it also had a certain charm. 3. Entrepreneurs often avoid industries with a low ceiling since they prefer markets that allow unlimited growth. By using low ceiling in various sentences, you can begin to see how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in several contexts. Here are a few tips to remember when using the phrase, low ceiling. Use it when discussing job roles, career paths, or opportunities with apparent limitations. Apply it to describe physical spaces, especially when talking about real estate or interior design. Avoid using the phrase to describe people or their abilities. It's best suited for discussing situations or environments. And that's a wrap on the phrase, low ceiling. We hope this video has illuminated this phrase for you and given you the confidence to use it in your conversations. Remember, learning a language is like exploring a world with no low ceiling. The possibilities are endless. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.